This is the guide to the homework, online homework number 4. Subject is probability. In a sales effectiveness seminar, a group of sales representatives tried 2 approaches to selling a customer a new automobile: the aggressive approach and the passive approach. For 1,160 customers, the following record was kept. Suppose a customer is selected at random from the 1,160 participating customers. What is the probability of a sale? Well, there were 686 sales out of 1,160 participants. We can put that as a decimal, or you can leave that as the fraction. Decimal is 0.59. Approach was tried. Now we're going to use a new denominator. We're only looking at aggressive approaches. That's going to change the denominator to 580. The numerator, though, is not 686. The numerator is 270 because that's sales inside of the aggressive approach. And that number is 0.47. There's a good argument here that they shouldn't use the aggressive approach because look at how much the percentage dropped. The table below gives the counts in thousands of earned degrees in the United States in a recent year, classified by level and by the gender of the degree recipient. Suppose one degree recipient from this group is randomly selected. What is the probability that the person selected earned a master's degree? That's what MA is. MA is master's, BA is bachelor, this is professional, and this is doctor. So a master's degree is 365 out of 1,626 for a percentage of 0.22. Number 4, what is the probability that the person selected earned a professional degree and is female? We have to find the number that works for both of them, the intersection, and that number would be 30 out of 1,626, 0.018. Just a little bit under 2%. 5. What is the probability that the person selected is female or earned a master's degree? So we could add together the total number of females, which is 856, the total of those that earned a master's degree, which is 365. That would be too large. So we have to subtract then females earning a master's degree, which is 194, because that number is double counted. And we can put that over the grand total of 1,626, which gives us 1,027 over 1,626, which is a decimal of 0.63. Find the indicated probabilities. The probability of y. The total of y is 24. Total is 119. 24 over 119. 7. What's the probability of x or c? X is 61. C is 37. However, 24 are in both. So if we add 61 and 37, we have to subtract the 24 that's in both. We can keep it over 119. That answer is 74 over 119. 8. What's the probability of y and b? You have to be in y and also b. Y and b is 4. 4 out of 119. For the next 2 problems, our denominator is going to change. The second thing that's listed is what the denominator is going to change to. So the probability of x given c, the denominator of c is a total of 37. We're looking for a denominator of 37. It's going to be this one. The top number has to be 24 because that's the intersection of x and c at the same time. The answer is D. Finally, look for the total of z, 34, and the top number is the intersection of b and z. B and z is 12. So the answer was C. That's it. Last homework of the year. Catch you next time.